So the rudder lines are now complete on the inside of the cockpit. I'm sitting in my seat, and the rudder lines are coming through the conduit from the transom, and then through a pulley, then through a guide, and then a cleat, another cleat, the guide, and then out on the other side. And the reason for this is, so when this will be marked once the rudder is in a center position, and then if I'm on a wind vane or running in a direction, I can just cleat the rope or the steering line, and it goes nowhere. Especially when I'm a wind vane and I'm set a course, then that will stay in place, and I can just uncleat it when I want to. So the steering happens like this with my hand. I can also put a joystick over here with a piece of wood, but that is not necessary right now. I might consider it later, but for now I think that is good. All right, that's the steering system on the Quito.